So we are all here tonight to celebrate very special exhibitions, very special to us, and I know to all the artists, because we challenge them to work on predominantly one color. And it's the second year in a row that we decided to found 10 artists which are willing to take the challenge and work on colors.
So I chose to depict a hypothetical language between the two big superpowers in Asia to be, which are India and China, because I feel that China represents the left brain in that it's very practical and logical and very Confucian, and India is very chaotic and emotional and very feminine. And it's a bit like men and women, you know, when you first meet the person that you're really attracted to, there's a lot of tension there, and sparks are flying. So literally the sparks are flying between the two mascots of these civilizations, Mahatma Gandhi on the left and Mao on the right.
TCC has always been a strong supporter of the art scene in Singapore. By supporting PantoneMyArt, we hope to provide a more colourful and enriching dining experience for all our guests.
I used Pantone 1665 Orange. I wanted to work with orange because my subject matter is of Singapore, so 1665 represents heat. So I really do enjoy being told what perimeter I need to work within in terms of a colour, so it was a lovely project to be involved in. I really enjoyed it.
If you get a color, then you try to make with that color and to find the subject which is resonating with that color. And I have painted the fruits because they are the most natural pink you can have. Tasty and maybe even a little bit sexual.
10 artists, 10 colors, 20 pieces of work. It's fantastic. PantoneMyArt, I say to you, embrace the colors of life.